Welcome back to Ketorific Journey with Mike. I'm Mike, Reformed Fat Man. Well, I was thinking I want me a roast beef and cheese sandwich, but don't want to eat it on bread. So we're going to eat it on the Italian Egglife wraps. So stick around and see how it turns out. I have the wrap in the pan, and I don't have anything on it. I'm just going to let it kind of toast up a little bit in there on both sides. And what I'm going to use for cheese is this right here again. So that ought to turn out good. This is a good melting cheese, and it goes well with this. So I'm going to put it. This deli roast beef that I got from Walmart. Put a little mayo and mustard on it. I think it's going to be great. So I've got the cheese on it, and I've got 2 pieces of the roast beef and some mayo and some mustard. So in a minute I'm going to fold it and press it and let it cook that way. Hopefully it'll fold okay. Well, it folded over nicely. Staying put too. So I'm happy with this. We're going to call this a success. Let's give it a try. That's pretty dang good. All right. So, roast beef and cheese, sure enough, it can happen. Just use your Egglife wraps. This is Mike at Ketorific Journey saying until next time, let's be careful out there.